watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get inspired by, I'm gonna call this a Beyoncé inspired wig. And generally in life, when I ask myself, what would I do in a situation, I always say, what would Beyoncé do? So with this wig, you can be Beyoncé. So this wig is from WiggIT. I love working with WiggIT. Honestly, they are such a great company. They are all about finding you the best wig or wigs that are suited for you. If you have any questions, like, they literally go above and beyond to help you on your wig journey. So I have done some wigs right here from WiggIT. They actually interviewed me for a blog of theirs, and that link is also down below for that. This wig is actually from Sleek Hair. This is the Spotlight Luxurious Wig Collection right here. And what's really great is that this has a really fabulous 4-inch deep lace parting. Who's gonna fight that? And it also already comes with baby hairs. Of course, this is a lace front, and this is also heat safe up to 200 degrees Celsius. This is actually in this really interesting color of TT4/12/27. It is in the style of ATTY, actually SP101 ATTY. So let's take a look at her and this Beyonce-ness, right? I mean, look at this gorgeousness. What I love about this wig is that it is very neutral, extremely neutral and cool. And she almost has a platinum-ish bottom, you see that? So it really has dark brown roots right here, and it just fades almost into this latte. Can I say latte? I'm gonna say it. Latte colored, and this flows all the way down to like this platinum down here. So as you can see, this wig kind of has a V shape to the bottom, which is really nice. So it isn't extremely full all the way around. Very light in feeling, so it won't be heavy. And I feel like the curls are just absolutely perfect and very natural. I did lightly brush her. She was a little bit more structured when I took her out of the package, but this is actually exactly how I like it. She does have a medium cap right here. As you can see, there's that delicious 4-inch parting right here with a little bit of this baby hair action right here. She has a medium color lace, as you can see. She also has 3 total combs. She's got 2 combs right here on the side, and then she has 1 comb in the back right here. She has a medium cap, so she would be large head friendly as well. But here's a little peek if you can kind of see the inside of the construction. All right, so let's put this girl on. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Deal of the century, as I always say. All right, so I have my wig cap on. I put my wigs on front to back. Ooh, look how much fun this wig is. I literally can't handle it. I can't handle how much fun this wig is, and light and kind of fresh feeling. So let me stand up a little bit. Let me put this all in front. It's very voluminous, as you can see, very voluminous. And she is about, the bottom part is probably around 22 to 20 inches or so, but she's like a lion's mane. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so here she is just down the center, which is totally fabulous, of course. So let me switch her to the side that I normally put my hair, my parting on, which is my left eyebrow. Just gonna shift it. So even though she is a middle parting, I always just shift my wigs however I'd like. Let me just move this baby hair around. Oh, this is fun. This is fun on this side for sure. Let's see if I can like kind of pop this up or anything. Love. Now let's move this on to the other side. See what kind of look she gives. They're a little bit different. Ooh. Yeah, this is definitely, I do like this side a little bit more. Really like this side. Just what an extremely fun wig. I absolutely love it. I love the color tones. I don't have any wigs in this kind of latte, kind of ombre toned wig. And I just really love these curls. These curls are so much fun. This wig is so light on my head. I really feel like if I'm walking down the street, like the wind's just gonna blow it and just have that Beyonce moment, right? Oh my gosh, I love it. This is from WiggIT. Do check it out and definitely reach out to them. They are here to help you live your best wig life ever. Let me know if you have any Beyonce-ish wigs or if you have any latte tone wigs. I would love to know about it and see you in those wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. Send me your photos, leave me a comment down below, and of course, I'm gonna be doing a Q&A video, so please let me know if you have any questions that you would like me to answer, and let's just have a lot of fun and empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day. So if something makes you feel amazing and empowered, do it, wear it, and do not worry about what anyone has to say about it. You just do you. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.